So today it's pickup wash time. One of the most sold pickup trucks in Germany, the Ford Ranger. I had rented this car for one day and it was one of my best experiences till today. And now we take a look to my pickup truck wash routine. Here we can see light dirt stripes at the fenders and the wheelhouse is the typical area of strong mud. If you are an off-road driver, you know this problem. I had to be careful with this truck so the rest of the body is still nearly clean. Let's start our wash routine. First step, and it's also one of the most important steps for a swirl-free wash routine, the pre-foaming. Use your pressure washer or favorite foam gun to cover your car with a strong foam carpet. Wait about 3 minutes so your snow foam can soak the hard cured mud or insect remains. Now it's time to use your high pressure washer to remove the loose dirt and grime, which takes 80% of contamination. So now guys, it's time for the hardest part. The 2-bucket wash method is one of the most popular types of washing. 1 bucket with clean shampoo water, the 2nd bucket for cleaning your wash mitt after washing each part of your car. Start with the roof on the top so the waste shampoo water can rinse over the side parts to the ground. No clean area will be covered with muddy water. Go now from the top to the ground. Clean your wash mitt steady after each part in your rinse bucket. And if you finish, remove the whole shampoo water precise from your paintwork. Let's take a look in our wash bucket with the dirt trap. Look at these little particles. Works fine. Use only one in your rinse bucket to keep the loose dirt away from your wash mitt. So we reach the next step. Drying. Why? Maybe your used water is calcareous, so the sun will dry the water drops fast. What stays strong? Yeah, the water spots. To avoid these water spots, a water blade is a powerful weapon to remove like 80% of staying water. One of my favorite tools, a microfiber towel, takes the rest. Easy, fast and safe. No scratches, no water stains. If there are some water spots left, a water spot remover or a good detailer can fix this problem easily. Now our steps can be a little bit different. Some people use their favorite wax or spray coating. One of my favorites for easy and fast paint protection is the Sonax Brilliant Shine Detailer. Spray on, spread it and buff off. High protection and cheap. Stay at least 1 to 2 months. For these fenders, a plastic care product is the right choice to keep the black trim fresh and clean. Last mission, glass cleaning finish. A cleaning towel for glass surface has very short fibers and maybe you know it, a waffle structure to keep streaks away. Look for a cheap glass cleaner like Tuga Chemie, Tuga Lean. It's one of my favorite glass cleaner here in Germany. Let's consider our work. Our car looks amazing. Clean, shiny and protected with cheap but powerful products. What do you think? If I missed something in this short cleaning guide, feel free to tell me in the comments section below. It was a fantastic day with the Ranger, driving and cleaning with a smile. Thanks for watching guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up and I see you at the next one.